Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to create a form on Asana. So let's get started. At first, open your Asana account. Then from the left sidebar, click on the project you want to work with. Then click on Customize. A menu will appear. Scroll down until you find Forms. Click on Add Form. Name, email address and then add question from here. Click on your question and drag it here. Now add your question. You can add description by clicking here. After entering question, type the options. Choose if it's required or not. After adjusting everything, click on Done. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.